Yo, sup geeks, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today's video is a collaboration. Some time ago, I did an open invitation to a collab on my Instagram, just like I did last year for the retro anime collab, but this time, it was going to be for Pretty Girls. The theme was really simple, it was just to choose a fruit and create a kawaii girl based on that fruit. I'm really thankful for all the interest a lot of followers showed, but the 7 spots were taken like really fast. So don't forget to also check the videos of The Doll Maker, Pixie Nattery, Josephine Creatures, I Could Do That DIY, Harley's Dollhouse, Stefudo, and Blurred Colors Art. The links to their channels will be down below on the description box. Okay, so this is the concept art, and as you can see, I chose the grapes. In the beginning, I was like trying to create this grape girl costume, you know, very a la strawberry shortcake type of vibe, but in the end, I went on a different direction. I decided to go for this type of wine festival girl, like, you know, this blonde girl in her maid outfit, very romanticist, very whimsical, very magical, so I think it could work. As the base, I'm going to use another one of my knockoff dolls. I changed her skin tone to a light human skin color using my airbrush. I did this off camera. I worked with one of these fakies on my previous video and she ended up being so beautiful once fully customized, so why not? So once done, let's move on and give her a brand new face. For the face up, as usual, I'm going to go for this kawaii, mega, super cute, big-eyed girl. You know, I'm really into this type of face ups lately, so I'm just enjoying myself. I will let you guys enjoy the process, so relax, and I'll be back once done. For an outfit, I'm going to use the same foam clay I love to use, so this will be a non-sewn outfit. I'm really sorry, but I lost some footage of the process, but if you want to learn how to work with this clay, I will link some of my other videos where I fully explain how to work with it. Also, the link to this clay will be linked down below, so if you want to try it, go ahead, go to the description box and click the link. It's really a great material, you won't regret it. So now that the outfit is done, I'm just going to use like regular acrylic paints to give it some color. And once the outfit is fully painted, I'm just going to use some pastel colors to emphasize the darkest areas. To bring this outfit to life and make it look like it's actually made out of fabric, I'm going to use lace strings, golden ribbons, bows, you know, decoration stuff, just to make it more fun and to make it look more complicated than it actually is. Of course, I'm gluing all this stuff using E6000. And here's the outfit complete. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I also made a pair of white stockings using actual fabric. I really didn't want this to be painted on, so this is the only thing I actually saw for this doll. For the hair, since she has an already molded on outfit on her body, I'm not gonna be wasting my time creating a wig cap this time. I'm just gonna be gluing the hair directly into her scalp. I'm gonna use these pre-created nylon hair wefts. The colors are very striking, very vibrant, and the length is just perfect. And oh my gosh, I just love the hair. is so long, it's so beautiful. The color, the texture, it flows so beautifully. I'm just in love. For the accessories, I'm going to create first the maid headpiece she has on her head. This will be going to be glued directly onto her head later on. Also using foam clay, I created the bunch of grapes she will have attached to her headpiece. And also the basket full of grapes. The basket I actually borrowed from a Disney Store bell set. I just added the grapes. And now she's done. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. She's like a vision. She's so ethereal, so beautiful. I'm so happy with this doll. So let's enjoy more pictures of her. I'm so thankful if you watched the whole video. I really hope you enjoyed the process as much as I enjoy creating her. Remember to watch the other videos from this colorful collaboration. The links will be down below. Also, if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, please do it. Come on, hit that subscriber button, the bell button, drop your comment, like, share, you know, it costs nothing and it really motivates me to keep creating more content for you. Well, Halloween is just around the corner, so that's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye!